How to add text to speech in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, scroll down to the Other Tools section and tap on Text to Speech. This will open the text to speech interface. Enter the text you want to convert into audio in the provided text box, then select the voice from the available options and adjust settings such as speed, pitch, and tone to match your preference. AudioLab offers multiple voices and languages to choose from, making it perfect for narration, podcast, or creative project. Once you have customized your voice, tap the play button to preview the audio. If satisfied, tap the save button to export the generated speech as an audio file. You can now further edit, apply effects, or share it as needed. Using the text-to-speech feature in AudioLab is a quick and easy way to create professional-sounding voiceovers. Now you know how to add text-to-speech in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.